Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80070032. We're having trouble restarting to finish the install. If you keep seeing this, try searching the web or contacting support for help. This error code might help. And then again, error code 0x80070032. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to actually initiate a manual restart of your computer. So go ahead and right-click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then select Restart. And then hopefully you should be good to go at this point, guys, frankly. If you're still having an issue, you can attempt to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, as well as a couple other things we can do. So open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. And then again, hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem for you. You can also open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC, followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve your issue. And then if you attempt to go about checking for updates, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.